The $25 all-in-one digital business and how to make money fast. Hi everybody, Joe Barclay here from joebarclay.com, coming to you again from our home on beautiful Loon Lake in the Adirondacks of northern New York. And in this video, I will explain how to make money fast with the $25 all-in-one digital business from the Home Business Academy. How fast? Well, many times in as little as 24 hours. It is the fastest, easiest, and least expensive way yet for you to step into an immediately profitable business online and take advantage of ongoing monthly residual income too. And right up front, I want you to know that previous experience does not matter. Almost anyone can succeed. People all around the world with all different backgrounds are enjoying success with this new proven business model. Stick with me and I'll explain exactly how you can start getting instant $20 and $100 commissions in as little as a day without even having to create products or websites. And that's even if today is your very first day online. See, the difficult, techie stuff has all been done for you. We have a 3-step plan to work with you to get you profitable right now. Create a substantial yearly residual income. That's money that comes in month after month from a sale you make one time, and give you the skills to create unlimited income for life doing something you love. Here's what makes it work so fast. The $25 all-in-one digital business from the Home Business Academy uses the affiliate marketing business model. If you aren't familiar with it, affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and make a commission. Recently, I posted a video on affiliate marketing success. I'll put a link to it up here so you can check it out. With over 30 years experience in the home business industry, affiliate marketing is my favorite business model. It's neat, it's clean, and it can be super lucrative. The learning curve is short, you can get results quickly. And with the right affiliate marketing business and marketing system, you can have massive success with a very minimum time commitment. It is my recommended way to create both true time and money freedom. Unlike most other affiliate marketing opportunities, our business pays out 80% commissions, and that's a big part of our secret to helping you make money fast. With 80% commissions, just 2 sales can put you into profit. And again, it pays out residually also. Look around, look at Amazon and others. Most affiliate marketing companies pay out only a small percentage commission and one time only. When you can receive up to $120 per month per customer, it can add up fast, really fast. And you will be stepping into a done-for-you, ready-to-go business. The products are done, the websites are done, the sales funnels are ready to go, emails are already written for you, product delivery and customer service are handled. All you have to do is use our automation tools and follow our personal mentoring and step-by-step strategies. And speaking of strategies, our quick start strategy is just that. We show you how to start building your business before you even set anything up. I've never seen anything like it. It helps new people get making money fast. The Home Business Academy products are top-notch and high demand. They help marketers in any business have more success. Our lead product is our Funnel Builder automation tool. In addition to running your entire $25 digital business on autopilot with it, you can use it to quickly create web pages, sales funnels, and more. Similar products sell online for as much as $100, and it's just part of the suite of tools you get. And I've saved what's maybe the best part for last. Like the name says, this is a business you can start for only $25. I tell people it may be the best $25 you ever spend. To learn more, just follow the link below. You will immediately be taken to our online tour that explains everything. Plus, I will send you an email with my contact information, including my cell phone number, so you can email, call, or text me with any questions before you get started. I hope this short video encourages you to take advantage of the $25 all-in-one digital business. It's really easier than you think to make money fast. I invite you to reach out with questions at any time. You can read this and many more marketing tips at my blog at joebarclay.com. While you're there, be sure to pick up a copy of my free ebook. It will show you how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success by copying what works. And to stay up to date with my latest videos and proven marketing tips, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Again, I'm Joe Barkley. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon.